Katputli. Rajasthani puppets are string marionettes that originate from the state of Rajasthan in India. The puppets are controlled by a single string that passes from the top of the puppet over the puppeteers. Characteristics to this form are the shrill voices produced by the lead puppeteer, which are spoken through a bamboo reed. Kalaripaita. It is a Dravidian martial art from Kerala, India, possibly one of the oldest fighting systems in existence. It is practiced in Kerala and contiguous parts of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, as well as northeastern Sri Lanka and among the Malayali community of Malaysia. Kanta. Kanta is a type of embroidery popular in Bangladesh and in West Bengal, India. The use of kanta is popular in saris, traditionally worn by women in Bengal, but any garment or cloth with kanta embroidery is called a kanta garment. Attar, a tradition of fragrance. Blending attars has been an obsession with us. Our great-grandfather, Mr. Hibatul Haji Attarwala, started this quest in the erstwhile royal state of Udaipur, Rajasthan. We are pursuing his passion and blending attars to match your mood and taste. Katamaran. A catamaran is a type of multi-hulled boat or ship consisting of two hulls or wakas joined by some structure, the most basic being a frame formed of ukas. Catamarans can be sail or engine powered. Festivals and fairs of India. Kids, there are so many fairs and festivals held in India. Let us know about them. Festivals and fairs are held for many different reasons. However, a fair is always an occasion for enjoyment and fun. Ladakh Festival. Ladakh festivals takes place in September 1 to 15 every year in Leh and villages. The inauguration ceremony takes place in Leh on large scale with the procession of various cultural troops from different parts of Ladakh. Rath Yatra. It is a huge Hindu festival associated with Lord Jagannath held at Puri in the state of Orissa, India during the month of June. Most of the city's society is based around the worship of Jagannath, with the ancient temple being the fulcrum of the area. The festival commemorates Lord Jagannath's annual visit to his aunt's home. Sonepur Mela. It is held on Kartik Purnima in the month of November in Sonepur, Bihar, on the confluence of river Ganga and Gandak. It is also known as Harihar Kshetra Mela and it attracts visitors from all over Asia. Till date, it is the biggest cattle fair of Asia and stretches on from 15 days to 1 month. Pushkar Mela. The Pushkar Fair or Pushkar Ka Mela is the annual 5-day camel and livestock fair held in the town of Pushkar in the state of Rajasthan, India. It is one of the world's largest camel fairs, and apart from buying and selling of livestock, it has become an important tourist attraction, and its highlights have become competitions such as the Matka Ford, longest moustache, and bridal competition are the main draws for this fair, which attracts thousands of tourists. Urs Ajmer Sharif. A dargah is a Sufi shrine built over the grave of a revered religious figure, often a Sufi saint. Local Muslims visit the shrine known as ziyarat. Dargahs are often associated with Sufi meeting rooms and hostels known as khanqah. They often include a mosque, meeting rooms, schools, residence for a teacher or caretaker, hospitals, and other buildings for community purposes. These are few famous Indians. Saints. Saints are individuals of exceptional holiness who are important in many religions. For example, Ramana Maharishi, Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Industrialist, a business magnate, sometimes referred to as mogul, tycoon, baron, oligarch, or industrialist, is a partially informal term used to refer to a person who has reached a prominent place in a particular industry and whose wealth has been derived primarily therefrom. For example, Dhirubhai Ambani, Ghanshyam Das Birla. Film directors. A film director or filmmaker is a person who directs the making and or the production of a film. Many people also consider film producers, cinematographers, film editors, and special effect experts to be filmmakers. Mrinal Sen, Adur Gopal Krishnan. Cartoonist. A cartoonist is a person who specializes in drawing cartoons. Much of this work was and is humorous and is intended primarily for entertainment purposes. For example, Mario Miranda, R.K. Lakshman. Fashion designers. Fashion design is the applied art dedicated to clothing and lifestyle accessories, created within the cultural and social influences of a specific time. It is considered to have a planned obsolescence, usually of 1 to 2 seasons. A season is defined as either autumn or winter or spring or summer. For example, Ritu Beri, Abujani. Writers. A writer is anyone who creates a written work, though the word usually designates those who write creatively or professionally, as well as those who have written in many different forms. For example, Takari Shivshankar Pillai, Amrita Pritam. Time around the world. Why is it that different places of the world have different times? Let us know about them. Noon at any place is the time when the sun is at its highest point in the sky. But noon at one place may not be noon at other place. This is because different parts of the earth face the sun at different times. So we need to set different times in our clocks, depending on which country we are in. Country special. Each country has its own culture and custom, its own history and arts, its own costumes and languages, its own kind of government and economy, its own famous and infamous people. Japan has a red circle on its flag which symbolizes the sun. Japan consists of 4 large islands and many small ones. Diet. It is Japan's bicameral legislature. It is composed of a lower house called the House of Representatives and an upper house called the House of Councillors. Both houses of the Diet are directly elected under a parallel voting system. In addition to passing laws, the Diet is formally responsible for selecting the Prime Minister. Akihito. He is the current Emperor of Japan and the 125th Emperor according to Japan's traditional order of succession. He succeeded to the throne in 1989 and is the 19th most senior monarch or lifelong leader. Sumo. It is a competitive contact sport where a wrestler attempts to force another wrestler out of a circular ring or to touch the ground with anything other than the soles of the feet. The sport originated in Japan, the only country where it is practiced professionally. Ikebana. It is the Japanese art of flower arrangement, also known as kado. More than simply putting flowers in a container, Ikebana is a disciplined art form in which nature and humanity are brought together. Though Ikebana is a creative expression, it has certain rules governing its form. Calligraphy. It is a type of visual art. It is often called the art of fancy lettering. A contemporary definition of calligraphic practice is the art of giving forms to signs in an expressive, harmonious, and skillful manner. Shinto. It is the natural spirituality of Japan and the Japanese people. The word Shinto was adapted from the written Chinese combining two kanji, meaning gods or spirits, and to or do, meaning philosophical path or study. Buddhism. Buddhism is a religion and philosophy encompassing a variety of traditions, beliefs, and practices, largely based on teachings attributed to Siddhartha Gautama, commonly known as the Buddha. Buddha lived and taught in the northeastern Indian subcontinent sometime between the 6th and 4th century BC. Sushi. It is vinegar rice topped with other ingredients such as fish. Sliced raw fish alone is called sashimi, as distinct from sushi. Sushi served rolled inside or around dried and pressed layer sheets of seaweed in maki sushi. Earthquakes. An earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy in the earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes are recorded with a seismometer, also known as a seismograph. Gold. It is a chemical element with the symbol Au. It has been a highly sought after precious metal for coinage, jewelry, and other arts since the beginning of recorded history. Gold is dense, soft, shiny, and the most malleable and ductile pure metal known. Ivory. Ivory has availed itself to many ornamental and practical uses. Prior to the introduction of plastics, it was used for billiard balls, piano keys, Scottish bagpipes, buttons, and a wide range of ornamental items. Synthetic substitutes for ivory have been developed. Salt. Salt is a dietary mineral composed primarily for sodium chloride that is essential for animal life, but can be toxic to many land plants. Salt flavor is one of the basic taste, making salt one of the oldest, most ubiquitous food seasoning. Salt is also an important preservative. Greece. Greece consists of a peninsula and hundreds of islands, many of them uninhabited. Greece gained independence from the Ottoman Empire in 1829. Aegean. It is an elongated embayment of the Mediterranean Sea located between the southern Balkan and Anatolian peninsulas, that is, between the mainlands of Greece and Turkey respectively. The Aegean Islands are within the sea and some bound it on its southern periphery, including Crete and Rhodes. Mediterranean. The Mediterranean Sea is a sea connected to the Atlantic Ocean, surrounded by the Mediterranean region and almost completely enclosed by land, on the north by Anatolia and Europe, on the south by Africa, and on the east by the Levant. The sea is technically a part of the Atlantic Ocean, although it is usually identified as a complete separate body of water. Ionian. The Ionian Sea is an arm of the Mediterranean Sea, south of the Adriatic Sea. It is bounded by southern Italy. The islands are collectively referred to as the Ionian Islands. The sea is one of the most seismic areas in the world. Art from different lands. All countries have their own traditional form of art and craft. These forms reflect the culture of the people who practice them. Chinese ink paintings. China is famous for its paintings done with ink on silk or rice paper. Living things and nature are portrayed in many different ways. The bamboo plant is a favorite theme. It symbolizes moral integrity, purity, and the ability to overcome adversity. Bark paintings. Australian Aborigines have a long tradition of paintings. Some of these paintings are done on eucalyptus bark. They paint the things and creatures that they see around them. They also tell mythological stories through these paintings. This Japanese doll is called a Daruma. It is named after the Bodhidharma, a Buddhist monk who went from India. It has no arms or legs and bounces back if tipped over. Indian films then and now. The Indian film industry is the biggest in the world. The first Indian feature film was released in 1913. Raja Harishchandra. Raja Harishchandra is a 1913 silent Indian film directed and produced by Dada Saheb Phalke and is the first full-length Indian feature film. Alam Ara. Alam Ara, directed by Ardeshir Irani, was the first Indian sound film. Irani recognized the importance that sound would have on the cinema and raced to complete Alam Ara before several other contemporary sound films. Alam Ara debuted at the Majestic Cinema in Mumbai on March 14, 1931. The first Indian talkie was so popular that police aid had to be summoned to control the crowds. Meena Kumari. Meena Kumari or Mahajabeen Banu was an Indian movie actress and poetess. She is regarded as one of the most prominent actresses to have appeared on the screens of Hindi cinema. Devika Rani. Devika Rani Chaudhary Roerich was an early Indian movie star. Born in Voltaire. Devika Rani came from a distinguished background. She was the great-grandniece of the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, and her father, Colonel M. N. Chaudhary, was the first Indian Surgeon General of Madras. Gods, demons, and others. Atlas. In Greek mythology, Atlas was the primordial Titan who supported the heavens from the ranges now called the Atlas Mountains. Atlas was the son of the Titan Iapetus and the Oceanid Asia. Amaterasu. It is the sun goddess and one of the principal Shinto deities. Her name, Amaterasu, means literally illuminates heaven. She was born from the left eye of Izangi as he purified himself in a river and went on to become the ruler of the higher celestial plane. Centaur. In Greek mythology, the centaur are a race of creatures composed of part human and part horse. In early Attic and Boeotian base paintings, as on the cantharos illustrated below left, they are depicted with the hindquarters of a horse attached to them. In later renderings, centaurs are given the torso of human joint at the waist to the horse withers where the horse's necks would be. Phoenix. It is a mythical sacred fire bird that originated in ancient Phoenician mythology, Chinese mythology, Egyptian religion, and later Greek mythology. Apollo. In Greek and Roman mythology, Apollo is one of the most important and diverse of the Olympian deities. The ideal of the Chorus Apollo has been variously recognized as a god of light and the sun, truth and prophecy, archery, medicine and healing, music, poetry and the arts, and more. Mercury. In Roman mythology, Mercury was a messenger and a god of trade, profit and commerce, the son of Maia Maestas, also known as Ops, the Roman version of Rhea and Jupiter. Baba Yaga. Baba Yaga is a witch-like character in Slavic folklore. She flies around on a giant mortar or broomstick, kidnaps small children, and lives in a hut which stands on chicken legs. In most Slavic folk tales, she is portrayed as an antagonist. Jinn. They are beings made from smokeless fire which live in a different dimension. People throughout the world who came in contact with them have given them different names. So, you might not recognize them as jinn, but you would probably recognize them as fallen angels, spirits, ghosts, etc.